You need 700 ml of milk, 80 grams of melted butter. You also need 200 grams of sugar. You need 350 grams of plain flour. You also need some ground nutmeg. You need 3 eggs, some oil, and a bit of salt. So in a bowl, add the flour and then add half a teaspoon of salt. And then you need to add 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, but you can also do with half a teaspoon if you don't want too much taste of nutmeg. Next, you can add 200 grams of sugar. You can even use brown sugar if you prefer because it's healthier. Next, adding 80 grams of melted butter or margarine. You can now add 3 eggs to it. Now add 700 ml of milk, and for this recipe we are using semi-skimmed milk. Now that you are all set up, you can start to mix everything either with a hand mixer, manually, and if you are in a hurry you can use the blender. Say if you are using the blender, put everything all together and blend it until very smooth. You might also want to stop the blender at some point to use a spoon and to scrape the bottom of the bowl and the side as well, so that you make sure that there is no lump, and this is how it should be. Okay, next, put a frying pan on the stove and brush it with some oil. And if you have a kitchen brush like this, you can also use it, or you can use a tissue. When the oil is hot, you can scoop some butter and let it fry on a medium to low heat. Okay, there's a saying that says that the first pancake always is the worst one, and you know it's kind of true, but with this recipe, well, they lied. Look at the first pancake, how nice it looks like. So let it cook or fry on both sides and then roll it. So let's do it one more time. Add some oil to a frying pan with a kitchen brush or whatever you have. Scoop some pancake batter. Let it fry on one side for about maybe 1 minute, and then flip it to the other side for another 1 minute. So look at this one. This one looks better than the other one, even though, but you know, with Mr. Drewry's recipe it always works. So now fold it and put it on your plate. For this recipe you can have between 19 and 22 pancakes. So this is it. This is our fantastic no-fail everyday pancake. This is Mr. Drewry's pancake, and I can guarantee you that you love it and you make pancakes every day. Thank you all for watching this video. Leave us comments, thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Bye.